Assalamualaikum, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to run PostgreSQL from command prompt in Windows 11. First of all, we have to go to the command prompt. That means the CMD mode. So we have to write post yes minus. Before I set up, the password is ABC123. See, there have some error connection to the server at localhost. Port 5432 failed, fatal password authentication. So here we can see that several problems have been occurs in these situations. So what should we do? So we have to do, or there have some kinds of solution. First of all, the solution is we'll go to the search options, then go to service. Then we have to find out or search here where the PostgreSQL 16 is. Go to the bottom. See, here is the Postgre. It is running and automatic. So click the properties. We have to check that here have lots of options. We have to select automatic as because we are not doing something. We will do automatic. So apply. Okay. Running. If we stop, then close. Here release. Then if we start, then running. Now check again. ABC 1 2 3. See, here is the first step to resolve this problem or solution this problem. Okay, then the next problem too. We have to find out the program file. Actually, we have to check the path problem. Postgre 16 data. Here is the configuration problem. Check Control F port. See, by default it will run 5432. Already it has, so no need to change the port number. Then have to go the task manager. So in this task manager we will search the details of Postgre. Here is, so we have to, here are lots of Postgre exe, so we have to in task anyone, in process, then go to the search. Again we have to start the Postgre. If already have, so no need to do things again. It's stop. When we end the process before, then it will automatically stop. Then again we have to start these sections. Right click, start. See it running. Then we will check again. See, it's working. Now in the method 2, then go to the third method. So in this third method, we have to check again the service center, which one is stop, start, or something. If sometimes when we stop or restart our PC configuration, then we have to check the function, or we have to check the apps that it's stop or start. So again we check Postgre, it's running automatically, so then no need to do anything. Then again we will run the command pg123. See, it's working. Now the fourth method. So in this fourth methods, we have to check the path folder. Then go to the edit system. We have to check the path. See here have PostgreSQL has no any kinds of path that connected to the PostgreSQL server. So we have to add the server. Go to the local disk, C, program files. We have to find where the PostgreSQL here. So we have to download copy as address bin file, then copy the path, then go to new. Okay, then check again. A.Bc 1 2 3. See, it's working. Now check the fifth method that we can sort out the problem. Here we have sort out lots of methods. So the next method is again the folder section. Like here have lots of folders. Then we have to first we have given the bin folder. Then we have to give the lib, that means library folder. Copy as a path. Then go to that options. Edit the environment system, environment variable. Go to the path. See here I've already bin file, but we haven't the library path options. Click OK. Then again take A.Bc 1 2 3. See, it's working. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.